You want to make your Blender animation look like this, but you're not quite sure how. Well, a little secret I like to use is called passive animation, just little things that happen in the background that add a little bit more story to your scene. And a really quick and easy way to do this is using shape keys. And if you don't know what shape keys are, well, they're really cute. They're essentially just two states that your object can be in, and you can slide between the two using this cool little slider on the side here. Okay, so say for example, I've got this cube here, and I can add a shape key, but I can also then have the cube, I don't know, like this, and then I can use the slider here to morph between the two. A great way of using these in your scene is by using them for curtains. So say if you've got some curtains in your scene and you want to have like a little draft or something, but you don't want to use your cloth simulation because why would you? First, add a shape key to your curtain object and then add another one. Tab into edit mode and press O on the keyboard to enable proportional editing. Then grab any vertice on your curtain object and just drag it out. You can use the scroll wheel to adjust how much the proportional editing affects your mesh. Tab back out of edit mode and using the slider on the bottom here, you can actually morph between the two, and that'll add a keyframe. Scrub through your timeline and just slide the slider as much as you want. And look at that, now your scene has a little bit of breeze. You can use this for pretty much anything that swings or sways or just needs a little bit of subtle movement in the background. I mean, look at how lazy I got with these chains.